Hi there, students. Tenure. Tenure. Tenure is a noun. Tenure is the possession, the holding of something in your possession, such as land or a job or a position or an official job, an official position. So, for example, in the UK, land or houses have two types of tenure. You have freehold tenure, which means you own everything, or you have leasehold tenure. You have a rental contract, a lease. A university professor can be granted tenure. In this case, tenure means that you have the job on a permanent basis without periodic renewals of your contract. Yeah, it's permanent, it's fixed now. Okay, so tenure, being the legal owner of land, a job, an official position, or the time for which you own it. So he has tenure for 10 years. Yeah, he has this position for 10 years. The tenure of a government, or the maximum tenure of a government in the UK, is 5 years. Or this other one, the right to remain permanently in a job. So yes, this professor is one of the few people in the chemistry department who has tenure. Yeah, he has his official position for life. Yeah, okay. So this is particularly used for teachers or professors at university. Okay, so why did the university why did the university refuse you tenure? Okay, so this particularly, it's a status granted after a trial period for a teacher that gives them protection from summary dismissal. Okay, so tenure, the tenure of an office, the tenure of a piece of land. Yeah, the lack of security of tenure meant that many people became homeless. Squatters lack security of tenure. They don't own the land, they don't hold possession, they're not proprietors of the land. How long do you think the current Labour leader will have tenure? I get the feeling his tenure is going to be very short. Okay, so tenure, holding a position, holding a job, or the right to hold land, the status of possessing somebody. Yeah, the incumbent president has tenure. Yeah, until he's evicted from office, so he has the position. The tenure. The tenure of this lease is 10 years, the period of time for which it is possessed. Okay, so tenure. To grant tenure, to be given tenure, this is to do with the academic position. Okay, so you're going to ask me, how formal is this? I think I would probably give this a 6.5 in formality. You might just use it in a formal conversation, but I think maybe how long's your contract, length of contract, type of contract, to be in office, something like that. So use it in semi-formal and formal writings easily. And then it's another one that comes to us from Latin through French. From Latin tenitura, tenitus, tentus, from teneo, to have, to hold, to possess, to occupy. Tenere, yeah, tenere, to have, yeah. Okay, so tenure. I guess I've got 11 years tenure here in YouTube. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Tenure.